Hi everyone. One wish, one plan, one dream bike. Sometimes things turn out differently than you planned. Here, the name has become a completely different one for a good reason. The Fat Boy was to bear a different name. Black Diamond, Tomek thought, would be an appropriate name for a bike in which motifs and lines of cut diamonds were to be found again and again. Simply Black, Tomek thought, was just a bit too boring. For the implementation of his project, Tomek naturally hired Ingo. After he had already gathered all the components in bicolor, also called contrast cut, Ingo Cruz was to provide the surfaces to be painted with a matching color language. But because Tomek always wanted it to be even more perfect, he fell for our GT wheels. The storage of these wheels simply harmonized too well with the diamond motif, and then they were also available in the contrast cut. He immediately put them on the list. The installation was a premiere, 23 inches in the front, 21 inches in the rear. And in our single-sided swing arm, too, so that the wheel would definitely not be overlooked in the back. Well, it was the GT wheels that finally gave the Black Diamond a new name, Fat Boy GT. With such a firecracker, of course an air ride can't be missing, and the lowering at the front puts the Fat Boy directly in the right position. Tomek made no compromises in this respect either. The play of polygonal metallic shapes is not just paint, it is a true cruise design. And it blends into the overall concept in a sucking way. The 8 fits the concept with its distinctive shape. Even the M8 GP nose spoiler is painted by Cruise. The Fat Boy GT is the first with front 23-inch wheel in GT design. Look out for the hexagonal Empire running boards. The steel fender fits tightly thanks to air ride, of course painted by Cruise. The rear GT wheel really comes into its own in the single-sided swing arm. The Dominion primary housing is in line with the modern design. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this ride with the 2023 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Custom by Thunderbike, don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. Your support keeps us revved up and ready to bring you more incredible content. Ride on, and stay tuned for more two-wheeled adventures. Thanks for watching.